Hey guys, Alex, AMC Parts Warehouse here. I have something different for you today, and this is going to be more for do-it-yourselfers who wants to primarily for probably Hornet or Gremlin. This is something I was dreaming about. What if I had a Gremlin? I would do air induction type of hood or Hornet. So here it is. So on V8 Gremlin or Hornet, or you switch into V8, you will have this type of air cleaner. By the way, look at my table. The table is a proper table for this video, a scrambler hood. So, but anyways, so you have this regular air cleaner here. So what I did, I created this, the fiberglass insert that uses my rubber gasket, the one I have on made for 71 through 74 Ram air cars. But this transition will give you the connection between the carburetor, air cleaner, and the hood. Obviously you're gonna have to put some kind of flapper. I do sell this type of flappers. You cut the hood and put a scrambler or a machine or a Hornet SC360 type of flapper I do sell on website, and then you do this connection here. You know, this would be your the final missing puzzle, sort of speak. So this will take care of the rest of what you need to connect this with the hood and the flapper. Obviously I sell the small leads on website. You can put just like MEX, the smaller air cleaner inside, and put the air cleaner in there, so air gets in there from the flapper. And I do also have a scrambler hood scoops, and I'll have different type of hood scoop, like SS type of hood scoops as well. So you know, just something different I thought about. And you know, this is a pretty nice fiberglass piece, and I don't really know exactly the width you will need for your application, because I don't have a Hornet or Gremlin to measure. But you basically you'll cut this down to the width you need to you know, to fill the gap between the hood and this air cleaner assembly. So please guys, subscribe, like, comment, check out amcpartswarehouse.com website, and I have many more videos you probably want to check out. Thank you. Bye.